Welcome back to Teen Code. In the last video, we wrote some CSS to render our recipe list. And in this video, we'll be writing the jQuery for the footer, for this footer. Let's get started. So here we have the recipe items. With 3 recipe items, the footer is still at the appropriate position. Once we reach 4 recipe items, the footer is no longer appropriate. We can see that the footer is actually overlapping the recipe items here, so we need to write some jQuery to make sure that the footer stays at the bottom of the recipe items, no matter how many number of recipe items that we have in the list. We'll name this the jQuery scripts. We'll start by grabbing the recipes. Then we'll just get the length of the number of recipes. Then we'll grab the footer, which is what we're trying to position here. Now, so what we're going to do effectively here is, if we have more than 3 recipe items, we will change the position of the footer from fixed to relative and vice versa. That way the footer will stay at the bottom of the recipe items. Otherwise, the footer will stay fixed, and it will stay fixed in that position, and which will be even if the number of items is 0 or 1, which is where we want to position it. This is fixed here, so if it turns, so as I said, if it goes to 0 items, then we'll still position the footer at the correct place. Now we want to add the scripts to the HTML for the recipes list. I'm just going to find a CDN here, the jQuery CDN. So jQuery CDN. And now we're going to add the script itself. So I'm going to add the script. Yes. Let's see if this is working now. So just refresh. Okay, so see, have a look here. Now we have 5 recipe items, and the footer is at the bottom here. So it's sticking to the bottom. Before it was kind of floating here. Now let's see if we reduce the number of elements in the recipes list, what the effect is. So now we have one item only in the recipes list, and the footer still sticks to the bottom of the page. That's it for this video. Leave a like, share and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.